on how hunting versus hiking impacts wildlife behavior. So we're looking at a really fascinating 2025 study on Alpine marmots that measures something called flight initiation distance, which is basically just how close you can get to an animal before it literally runs for its life, to figure out exactly how different human activities change wildlife tolerance. Well, what does this mean for management? First, it turns out hunting is absolutely the primary driver of wildlife fear, not your everyday recreation. Marmots in hunted areas fled from humans way earlier than those in protected spots, while just being around regular hikers and walkers had zero measurable impact on their fear levels. Second, you get this massive spillover effect, because animals generalize the threat. Since wildlife obviously can't tell a hunter from a hiker, they end up overreacting to all humans, hiding in their burrows and missing out on crucial foraging and mating time during those super short summer months. Finally, there's a direct professional trade-off here between hunting and ecotourism. For land managers and conservationists, allowing even a highly restricted hunt, like just a 5% harvest, makes iconic species way less visible and way more stressed, which totally hinders wildlife viewing and nature-based tourism. Ultimately, wildlife professionals must weigh the reality that hunting doesn't just manage population numbers, it creates a lingering landscape of fear that completely changes how surviving animals interact with every single person who steps onto the trail.